Hello, welcome to the Sangfor Network Secure Training course. In this course, we will talk about the basic information of Sangfor Network Secure. Also, you can call it Sangfor NSF. Let's start by learning why new threats need the new security. In this course, we have 5 parts. First one is NSF introduction. Then is NSF deployment and NSF core features, NSF solutions. And the last one, device management. First part, you can see the picture today. Many apps use the HTTP and HTTPS. And many attacks come from these apps. Old security tools cannot see users' traffic or ID devices. Clearly, we need a new way to protect the network. You can see the picture. This is firewall IPS, WAF history flow. And you will find many companies don't have a good choice to defend attacks. Also, good security systems are expensive. So we need a security system that is strong and also not too costly. That is our Sangfor Network Secure, gives company full protection. It also helps to lower the cost for companies. And this way, even small and medium businesses can stay safe for their network. You can see this picture. These are Sangfor Network Secure functions. This slide summarizes Sangfor's comprehensive network security solution covering perimeter protection, business visibility, application security, log analysis, and high-performance architecture. This is network security policy workflow. The traffic pass the device and the devices check the traffic by the rules. If allow, it goes on. If blocked, it stops. There is a default rule. If no other rules matches. Here is a security policy theory. You can see the first step, incoming data flow through the network secure. And step 2, check network secure security policy, determine whether to allow the next operation. Step 3, the network secure processes the packets according to the defense security policy. So this is a role of our network secure security policy, filter the traffic passing through the network secure according to the defend policies, and then process to the next step. Depends on your policy and your traffic allow or deny to through the network secure. Here are our network secure core values. The basic of security is comprehensive visualization of risk. The goal of security is to secure the businesses of the enterprise. The future of security is defending against unknown threats. First one, comprehensive visualization of risk. Comprehensive risk protection around businesses or user are security as a core. Full availability of business risks. You can see IP or port. And dynamic asset identification, a real-time vulnerability, analyze attack event, display the risk states overview, and the full visibility of access behavior, security model to through our attack train display scanning, Hector attacked, compromised display of attack types, popular attacks, vulnerabilities, viruses, unknown threats, and so on. And evidence of attack, detailed evidence information at code level. Also, we have full visibility of user risk, IP or MIC through devices and attack event display, high-risk behavior analyze and compromise the endpoint display and risk status overview, all will display in Sangfor Network Secure. Here are core value point, risk positioning, effective data analysis and graphical presentation, Sangfor Network Secure, more accurate detection and defense, more effective security operations and risk management. Next part is a secure the businesses of the enterprise. In enterprise, we have 3 parts for the event before the event, anticipate, and during the event is defense. After the event, we focus on detection and response. Here we will introduce a defending against the unknown threats. But before defending, we must know what is an unknown threat. Unknown threat includes new malware, ransomware, and zero-day exploits, web shells, struts too, and more on. They can cause a big money losses and data leaks for the unknown threat defenses. And we will introduce Sangfor Engine. The name is Sangfor Engine 0. Sangfor Engine 0 uses the AI to find unknown threats. It does not need manual updates. It learns by itself and protects better against new viruses and runs on well. The part 2 is introduction of NSF deployment. You can see the deployment, the topology we have root mode and bridge or virtual wire mode. Also, we support mix mode. Mix mode is mean that you can use the root mode with a bridge or virtual wire mode in the same device. Also, it supports the mirror mode in network part. Sangfor Network Secure also support RIP, GRE, OSPF and high available. Here are Sangfor Network Secure deployment specific description. In the root mode, act like a gateway with IP addresses. Bridge mode forward packets based on MAC address, works like a switch. No IP change in the topology. For the virtual wire mode, this is a kind of fast bridge mode, but in this mode, do not need to be forward according to the MAC address table. Mix model includes different ways such as virtual wire mode, bridge mode, and routing mode in one firewall. It's a flexible deployment. In this part, we introduce the network secure core features. First one, IPsec VPN and Sangfor VPN. In Sangfor Network Secure, we support normal IPsec VPN. Also supports Sangfor VPN. Sangfor VPN is a simple VPN configuration between Sangfor devices. It is very convenient and stable. And config, not too much complex configuration like IPsec VPN. Next part is user authentication. Network Secure offers multiple user authentication method. It can support SSO options, username and password authentications. This way let you check a user identify. It blocks the bad users and makes sure only allow people enter your network. This is Sangfor Bandwidth Management, Sangfor Network Secure Bandwidth Management function. It's designed to control user, network by user application and time and IP or VLAN. We can provide important application can get enough speed and utilize application limited. This is a solution. It will improve our user experience and maintenance business continuity. Next is content security. It is to enhance network production. It improves on comprehensive security strategy that includes the email attachments and website and downloads and also support include files sent by each HTTP or FTP. It will block the virus and dangerous websites. In Sangfor Application Control Policy, you can choose the application category to choose your application, what you want to delay or allow in this policy configuration. Also in Sangfor Application Signatures database. We support more than 10,000 applications and it also has advanced application signatures. We support some like Skype or P2P behavior and SSL so on. This is our content policy. Before create a policy, you will add a new template. This template, it includes email protection and URL filter and file protection. Mail protection. Include mail attachments, virus detection and mail attachments filtering. XSS attack detection and collision attack. In the URL filtering, we support HTTP GET, HTTP POST, HTTPS filtering. In the file protection, Sangfor support HTTP FTP download or upload virus detection and file type filtering. Sangfor Network Secure can identify the traffic, block and record the log according to the user policy. It blocks these connections and locks, and the database has over 400,000 virus types. Sangfor Network Secure Support. IPS is based on package detection. Sangfor Network Secure can check a hybrid packet. It will find attack packets and stop them or block them. Also can protect your systems and even they have a software bugs. IPS protection features support server protection, endpoint protection, brute force attack protection, also support anti-malware. The WAF is an advanced function in Sangfor Network Secure. It will need additional license. The WHAT can protect web servers. RUF can block when circle attacks. Access the text. Web shells hectare storing data, also checks for secret information. Next. In Web Protection Sample Network Skill Support, OS Command Injection, Website Scan, Circle Injection, Exercise Attack. High strips for information disclosure. Fuel inclusion, website story, web shell, say surf sample language type support the DOS attack. DOS is an attempt to make a machine or network resource unavailable to it. Nerve cycle, antidos or detox have to type, outbound attack and inbound attack. Inbound attack, meaningful protector internal server not being attacked from external zone. Outbound protect, meaningful protect device itself or lion traffic. You can see our picture. We can have a ad, have a dolls, a caption policy, and also about the attack protein policy security solution. This is a sample next-generation security solution with a conditional among cloud endpoint and boundary applications, building a wholesome and comprehensive security system that can give advisory, provide to protect during, detect and respond after an introduce event. Give risk analyze and advanced from security engines include detection and response from endpoint protection agent detection and protection on boundary appliance. This is the sample network secure monitor. You can see security locks, access logs, and system logs in this monitor. And very easy to check from data to data. Also can find the attack source and analyze the events. The part 4 is a solutions. From the solutions sheet, you can very easy to see different solution have a different target customer, different target industrial and product offering. And sample advantages also include the opportunities. It's very easy to check. The part 5 is device management. This is the sample network secure physical device picture. You can see left is a LED. We include a long power states bypass. Also the right is a management interface and console interface, USB favor interface and Cooper interface. This is the different LED lights have a different states. You can very easy to see link and traffic states have valuable states. System alarms help you quickly know device health. This is the bypass port introduction. What is bypass port? It's me when in the Davis field or not work. The bypass port can, like a cable, keep a network. Ronnie, in sample devices, you can see the B1 is mean it's a bypass port. The port is first port in the Facebook device. Back you will find the power switch, cooling fan, 2 power inputs and bypass mode switch. In some lawyer model, only 1 power. For more models of device, please visit our sample website to check the information. Next is a how to log in network skill. First, configure the pieces icon address with a 1025, 1, to 5.1, the same segment, for example, 2 to 5.4 to 5.1, 25, 1, 100. Then access HPS 10, 25, 1, 25, 1 to 5.1 in the browser, ignore the security warning page. The login page will be displayed. Default username, password is admin. Admin use default username and password. Login. This is a interface numbers on the web console correspondent to the order of the numbers on the physical device. This is a upgrade menu. You can upgrade Network Secure in web console directly. Just click in Offline Upgrade. Network Secure supports a version and service package, service page rollback. This is a precise Network Secure to factory default in web console. Just to System Maintenance Backup Restore page, click Restore to Factory Defaults. The device will be reset to factor defaults. If you forgot the password here, have some method to know how to brainstorm password. First, domestic is a restore password with USB driver. You just create an empty text file in the USB disk and insert the USB disk, restart the device when the device can normally log in on the web console, go out the USB disk, see the result in the USB-C, a disk. If the recovery is successful, the USB-DC disk will record the restore console password in this field. Otherwise, the logo is a recorded the recovery field information here. Have something note, just take care the file name and the USB format is FAQ32. The above is the content of the streaming. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.